Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to graph another ellipse. So right off the bat, just by looking at the equation, we could tell that it's going to be a vertical ellipse. Under y squared we have a, and the reason why this is a is because a is the greater one, and it happens to be that the greater denominator is under y, making it looking like a vertical ellipse. It's going to be looking somewhat like that instead of like this, the horizontal. So it's going to be like that. Okay, so let's begin with finding the variables a, b, and c. So a is going to be equal to the square root of a squared, and this is a squared. The square root of that is going to be 8. B is going to be the square root of b squared right here. B is going to be 3. Square root of 9 is 3. And c is really not that important. The use of c is finding the foci. But for the vertices, we only need a and b. So we just want to find the vertices to just sketch the ellipse. So in a vertical ellipse, the a, which is the greater one, the vertices for a, or the vertices that have a, are going to look like this: 0, plus or minus a. And the ones with b, the vertices with b is going to look like this: plus or minus b, 0. Just you could kind of visualize that. And so let's just begin by plugging it in. So the vertices with a is going to be 0, plus or minus 8. With b, it's going to be plus or minus 3, 0. So now, let's just zoom out. Now, we could kind of roughly sketch it. Okay, so we have vertices with 0, plus or minus 8. So it's 0, plus or minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have here negative 8 and positive 8. And the other vertices at plus or minus 3, 0. That's 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0. That's an ellipse looking like that. See, it's a vertical ellipse. That means the vertices with a greater value are on the y-axis. Or you could also think of it as this: the foci are on the y-axis. This is a vertical ellipse, and that's a rough sketch of a vertical ellipse.